Assalamualaikum friends, here is iPhone Screen Mockup. These files for Photoshop and password in and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay. Here is image for preview and here is our templates. Total template is 6. For example, open this one. Here is 2 screen layers. For example, now we need a design. Extract this, drag there. Oh, we need a high definition file. Okay, Control S, and you see our design is here. Second design is import this one, drag there. Okay, enter, Control S. Second design is here and last is phone. Uh-oh, here is okay. Control S, I tell you just for a example. Now you see our design is ready. Here is a background. Press OK and our mockup is ready. Close it and open. So you can import any other file. Same thing here. Open this one. Here is you need a square banner and main thing is here. For example, open this one and drag there. Enter, Control S, and you see, so you can adjust one by one. Okay, I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.